I've been walking around looking for an idea for a logo, and I ideated and I was thinking of this one, and then it ended up looking like this. So let's jump in and see how it looks like on Canva and Photopea. www.canva.com, and we searched for a blank logo canvas. We then press C for circle so that we add a round shape for our design. We sized it and then we aligned it. We then press rectangle because we want to create a border. Then we're gonna go to our elements and we're gonna search for a line that is gradient. So we're gonna search for gradient line, and we search and find a beautiful gradient line for our design. You click where it says graphics, and then you can scroll down until you find a nice color that you want to use for your design. I found this line that is called dark blue line neon. That's created by R on Canva, and then we're going to use this design to create our eclectic look.
I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
After a long...
Next, I'm going to add my text. Press T for text, and then I'm going to type the business name.
I'll find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through.
So we did all of these different shaped lines, and they don't look very nice at all. So we're going to not do that. We're going to take them off and try to have a cohesive looking design without this one.
Like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose.
After a couple of tries, I'm going to upload this on YouTube. I need you to let me know what you think. I'm not crazy about this design.
I'm not crazy about it,
but I'm going to ask for your opinion, and let me know if it made you think of any other idea of a logo. Then at least my work is not in vain. So let's download it and go on Photopea and edit to a mockup and see how it's going to look like. We're gonna access photopea.com and we're gonna select PSD templates, and we're gonna look for a mockup. We're gonna click on mockups, and we're gonna pick this one. I like this one. We click and we open it, and we open the link. Once it's open, you're going to double click where it says your logo here, and you're gonna click on the eye to hide the text. Then you're gonna click and you drag your downloaded 2D logo. You drag and you size it so that it makes it nice and big on the mockup itself. You align it and you center it. Then you Command S or Control S to change it to a smart object, and then you're going to click back on the first tab to see your design, and here the design is. So let me know on the comments below. Let me know. I'm going to save it by going File, Export As. I don't think I'm going to use it for Learn with ZA, but let me know your thoughts. You've seen the beginning of the video when I was ideating and coming up with clever ideas for my upgraded logo. I do have a learning course for Canva tutorial teaching you logo design specifically for Canva. If you visit learnwithza.com, I do appreciate you spending time with me. I will see you on the next successful logo.